Oh, so you chose to see the makeup tutorial. Okay, that's fine. You clearly didn't want to see my skincare routine. What, does my skin look busted? Interesting. Anyway, let's go on to the tutorial. So guys, look, I'm blonde. So I'm actually just going to do, like, I really want this video to just be like really quick, simple and everything. So I'm just going to try my best. So I'm just going to get my tape and I'm going to cut that in a little bit. But before I do that, I'm going to go in with my Uniglow from Jolie Beauty. I'm going to put 2 drops onto my face. 1. And I suppose that's 2, but I didn't mean that. And okay, so 3. Oh, let me just I just love this stuff so much. I just want to make sure that my skin is really moisturized and primed for the look that I'm going to be doing. Right, I'm gonna go in with the tape now, and I need to do this really quickly. Placing tape like that. So the tape, the blue tape, is literally on my eyeline, going towards my what are they called again? Brows. So I'm gonna go in with the medium shade of Ultimate Primer from Revolution Beauty Cosmetics. I'm just gonna place that onto my finger, like so. Like, can you see that? No, maybe not, whatever. But it really is literally a tiny amount. So I'm just going to place that on both of my ring fingers, and then I'm just going to fan it there, and fan it there, and then with everything else, place it everywhere onto my eyelid. And then we're gonna go into our first shade. But because I realized that I don't have a fluffy brush, I am actually going to skip now. Not skip, but I am actually going to pause the camera so that I can find this. Let's find the fluffy brush. So I couldn't actually find what I was looking for, and you know what? I feel like I'm okay with that. So I'm just gonna go in with brows. So I'm using the, what am I using? I'm using the micro brow pencil from NYX in the shade Black, and I'm just gonna do this really quickly. First off, I'm gonna go in with so I'm gonna just use the Vampirism palette from Jolie Beauty, and I think I'm gonna go in with Dawn. And I'm just gonna place Dawn right where my crease ceases to be believed. Well, I don't know what I'm trying to say. And this brush actually picked up quite a lot of that pigment. I'm not really anticipating that you're gonna do this look, but this look, I feel like, is like really subtle, really quick and easy to do. Anyway, now that we've gone in with Dawn, we're gonna go a little bit darker. We're gonna go in with Parlor, and it's a really dark brown shade. Like on my camera and in the lighting that I have, it's not really dark, but it actually is. And that's just going to mimic my skin tone. So I'm just gonna place that in the crease, like so. And using the brush, I'm just going to kind of blend it into the shade Dawn as well, just to give it that like, ooh. I want this whole kind of bruised look. Clean off my brush, and then I'm going to go in with Dawn just a little bit more, just to blend it with what I've lost. So I'm going to go into shadows, which is the black in this, and I'm just going to work on my outer corners. Why is my mirror doing that? Can you see how I'm pushing this brush into my socket and doing circular motions? This is what I want, because it's also going to create a blend that I want, but I don't have the time to do. This is the easiest, breeziest, cover girlish way to do it. I said this look was going to be so simple and easy, but I lied. So on the inner corners, I am going to just place some of that black hair, pushing it into my socket as well. And now I'm going to go in with Hypnotic. Hypnotic is this shade here. Oh wow, look at that. I wasn't expecting that. So now that I've placed that on, I'm just going to place some black around it. Some of that black that we've used already. Just kind of go around the outskirts. But I don't want to go around the outskirts on the inner corner. I just want to go around the outskirts, around everything else. So I kind of just want to wing this, like really thickly. Seven-foot frame. Okay, so I think the next thing I'm going to do is put some foundation on, and I'm just going to use a really damp sponge and just place some foundation onto my face, like so. Can you see that? See? Just placing that all over. Just, oh, that feels so good. It feels so nice and cold. Just going in with my MAC concealer that I normally use on the channel, just underneath my eyes, like so. And then I'm going to bring that down my nose, and then use it to sharpen any sort of lines that I've created. And I like to blend the edges before I blend anything else in. No clouds allowed in the sky. I got told I look very Grace Jones right now. So it makes me feel, have I done this look before? I actually really wanted to go for a little simple look, but I feel like I've gone a little bit dramatic with the eyes. Down my nose. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. Just a little bit. I'm just going to go in with some of this toffee from Cherry Beauty underneath my eyes. As you can see, I'm pushing that right in there. Don't make me feel bad. I feel like that's a bit too bright. I'm gonna go back in with toffee over that and see what happens. Blend everything in together because it's damp. So I'm gonna go in with the 30 watt from LA Girl. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the videos that I've done so far. I hope you enjoyed this interactive experience. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed the experience. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.